18th hole. My wife is up there watching from the clubhouse, and I want to make this a perfect shot. His partner says, give me a break. There ain't a snowball's chance in hell you're going to hit her from here.
Why'd you have to choose us for this stupid article?
Because you won that day.
Proud mother Margaret Mickey Dawson watches her son smash a volley.
That's her. The one we want.
The guy's pulling about $50K a month out of Detroit.
Hey, you keep your wife out here, someone's liable to steal her.
Promise?
She never sees us and knows who we are.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Frank?
Draw $1 million out of your account.
I'm going to call the cops.
If you go to the police, you will never see her alive again.
Who was that?
I don't know.
Here you are, filing for divorce. And then this happens.
We should go down there, show him something, like his wife's fingers.
Oh.
What you think we're doing here?
Calm down, you're not thinking this through.
Let's be honest. This could have been set up a whole lot better.
Where you been all week, celebrity?
I was kidnapped.